Hey students, do you ever feel confused when talking about the future? You say, tomorrow I go school. I do homework, and people don't understand clearly. Inside, you feel nervous. Why is my English not correct? Why do I get stuck? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many students make this mistake. But today, I will make this super easy for you. Let's understand this with your daily life. Think about tomorrow. What will you do? You will wake up, you will go to school, you will study, and you will come back home. See, every future action uses a simple pattern, will plus base verb. Like, will go, will eat, will study. That's it. No confusion, no hard rules. We use future indefinite tense in many daily situations. When you make plans, I will study tonight. When you make promises, I will help you. When you decide instantly, I will answer this question. When you predict something, it will rain today. So, from morning to night, you can use this tense everywhere. Now let's talk about mistakes students make. I will going to school. I will goes tomorrow. I go tomorrow. These sound wrong and confusing. Why? Because after will, you must always use the base verb, go, eat, play. This is where many students struggle, but don't worry, we will fix it now. Here is your simple trick. Always remember, will plus V1, base form. Correct sentences. I will go to school. She will eat food. They will play cricket. See how easy. Just one small rule, and your English becomes clear and confident. Now listen to this short story. Rahul will wake up early tomorrow. He will go for a run. After that, he will take a bath and eat breakfast. Then he will go to college and attend his classes. In the evening, he will complete his homework and he will watch his favorite show. At night, he will sleep early. Did you notice? Every action is in the future and we used will everywhere. Now your turn. Answer these questions. What will you do tomorrow morning? What will you do after school? What will you do at night? Speak your answers loudly like, I will study. I will play. I will relax. This is how you build confidence. Want to improve faster? Follow these simple tips. Practice 5 sentences daily using will. Speak in front of a mirror. Think in English about your future plans. Listen and repeat simple sentences. Small practice every day is equal to big improvement. C. Future indefinite tense is not difficult at all. You just needed the right method. Now you can talk about your future easily and confidently. No more fear, no more confusion. Now comment below. What will you do tomorrow? Like this video if you learned something new. And subscribe for more easy English lessons. Next lesson will be even more powerful.